Greetings. In this segment, we will talk about the buzzcut, a look that's as fresh as it is timeless. So, a buzzcut is such a cool style, as it's all about that clean, fresh look. It can really show off your facial features and give you a whole impression. Plus, it's super low maintenance, just a quick trim every few weeks, and you're good to go. And if you are feeling adventurous, you can even play around with different lengths or some designs. A buzz cut can also be a great way to symbolize a fresh start or a new chapter in life. It's like shielding the old and embracing the new. So whether you're thinking about getting one or just curious, it's definitely a style that's make a statement. I appreciate your listening. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, it's all about confidence and self expression.